I have the perfect eyeliner for us ladies over 50. If you're curious to see which one it is, then let's get into it. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So if you have similar struggles like myself, where my eyes are definitely getting more hooded, the crepiness, the more loose skin, especially around my eye area, I'm always looking for an eyeliner that is easy to apply, that glides on. There's not going to be any tugging around the eye area. This eyeliner by Prime Cosmetics is definitely going to help with those challenges. This is the Prime Eyes Glide Eyeliner. You may have seen me reviewing other products by Prime Cosmetics. I think they are amazing for us mature ladies. They create products specifically designed for our mature skin. So they were kind enough to send me 9 of their eyeliners, and I'll just show you each shade. So the top one is Kohl, and that one is a really soft black shade. The next one here is Smoky, and that's a beautiful charcoal shade. The third one down is Wood, and it's a beautiful rich chocolate brown. This shade here is called Emerald. It's just a gorgeous green color. The blue one is called Sapphire, and it really makes the whites of your eyes pop. This other brown shade down here is Mocha, and that one's a cocoa brown. And then their newest shade is Mulberry. That is that one right there. And it's a dark plum. It is so beautiful. And then this one that I have here is called Copper, and that's like a reddish brown. It's perfect for placing in your inner corner. And then this one right here is Golden, and that's like a bronzy shade, and it looks so beautiful even just using it on your mobile lid. It's just gorgeous. Now I have brought you in a little bit closer so you can see my application method. And I did just quickly want to show you, these are no smudge. They are water resistant. So like I am really pressing hard right now trying to smudge them, and they do not budge. It is a retractable pencil, but a couple of the nice features, this little smudger on the end, and it also comes with a little sharpener. So I'm first going to apply Mocha. These are also hypoallergenic, cruelty-free, and the best thing is it glides on like butter. There's no pulling, there's no tugging, it doesn't skip. But I usually start right on the outer edge and just stay really snug to the lash line. Little effort. You know that I like to smudge out my eyeliners, so I'm going to take that smudger on the end. And I find it just gives a little bit of a softness to the eye. And then just for fun, I'm going to take that Mulberry shade, and I'm going to use this one to tightline. And when I'm tightlining, I'm just taking it right in the area of where my upper waterline is. And then I'm going to take that same Mocha shade and very gently apply it under my eye. This has such a beautiful buttery gel cream formula. That's what I love, is they just glide on so easy. And these also are infused with hyaluronic acid, which is going to help condition lashes. I just want to say thank you very much to Prime Cosmetics for partnering with me on this video. There's so many times when I feature a product from Prime Cosmetics, so many of you comment that you've tried their products and you absolutely love them. So I'm always so happy to hear that. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you're not already. And as always, I hope everybody has a great week and a great life, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!